Regardless of brand, type, or features, heating with infrared is an excellent method to reduce energy costs. Infrared technology is fundamentally different than traditional means of heating and requires special attention when evaluating an infrared appliance for its efficiency. There are several different efficiencies that should be considered when comparing infrared heaters. Understanding how these efficiencies are derived and how they apply will aid in selecting the proper unit for an application. Combustion efficiency is a measure of how complete an appliance converts the supplied fuel into heat energy. 100% combustion efficiency is achieved when the exact amount of oxygen required to burn a specific amount of fuel is supplied to the reaction. Thermal efficiency is the measure of all energy, conductive, convective, and radiant, captured by the heater, which is available for useful output. A well-designed infrared heater maximizes radiant output while minimizing convection and conduction thermal movements. Thermal efficiency is currently the industry standard for measuring the efficiency of an infrared heater in North America. Radiant efficiency is a measure of how much thermal energy is emitted as radiant heat energy. This form of thermal transfer is fundamentally different from conduction or convection in that it does not require an intermediary device, such as air, to transfer the heat energy. This greatly reduces the transmission losses because it sends the heat directly to the intended load. Similar to lighting a space, pattern efficiency is a measure of how effectively an appliance directs radiant heat energy into a usable heat pattern. This pattern, coupled with the proper application of the product, influences the system's total effectiveness. The goal of infrared heating is to obtain highly efficient heat by directing the infrared energy in a specific pattern. Collectively, all of these known efficiencies should be considered when weighing the overall performance of an infrared heater. Today, more than ever, infrared heaters are getting the recognition they deserve for their many efficiencies and green benefits. The continued emphasis on the use of energy-saving appliances has resulted in numerous programs designed to encourage the use of infrared heaters. Federal tax credits and generous utility rebate programs designed to promote the use of green technologies are presently available in many parts of the United States. Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, is a third-party certification program and internationally accepted benchmark for the design, construction, and operation of high-performance and environmentally friendly buildings. The evaluation process for determining what level of certification each building is given is based on 7 credit categories in which up to 110 total points are earned. The application of infrared heaters can contribute up to 22 points in 3 of the qualifying categories. Infrared heaters contribute to these categories in numerous ways, as they reduce fuel consumption rates up to 50%, reduce electrical energy consumption, increase thermal comfort levels, improve individualized comfort zones, reduce air currents, and improve air quality. For tips on how to achieve maximum efficiency in your green building project, visit reverberate.com or contact your local Detroit Radiant Products representative.